Hey everyone, in this tutorial we want to talk about mark contacted and the rhythm of reaching people. This might be the quietest and most powerful button in Poimnion. Every time you call, text, or visit someone, you click mark contacted. That's it. From then on, the system remembers who was reached 7 days ago, who's 60, who has never been contacted at all. Nobody holds that in their head across a congregation. Nobody. This holds it for you. So, as I said, this might be the quietest and most powerful button in Poimnion. So, to get going, I want to immediately show you how you get there. On any member, so this is your member list that you're looking at here in Poimnion. On any member, once you click on that name, any member at all, one of the things that you will note is that there is a big green mark contacted button. Anytime you call, text, or visit someone, you want to click mark contacted in Poimnion, because what you are doing, you are using the system as a companion to help you remember when last XYZ was contacted. As I said, nobody holds that in their head across a congregation. Who was contacted 7 days ago, who was contacted 30 days ago, who was contacted 60 days ago, who was never contacted. Nobody holds that, right? And it's a lot for a pastor or a team to juggle. This one button solves it all for you. So there are quite a number of places. It's throughout the entire platform pretty much. Even if not throughout the entire platform, it is in quite a number of places as to where you can click this mark contacted button, or how you could record that a contact has been made. So it's here on the member profile that we just showed you, right? When you click the member profile, you click mark contacted, immediately the system start tracking when last that person was contacted. But also, if you should go to Pastoral Care, right? If you could go to Pastoral Care, if there's somebody that's in need of pastoral care, guess what? Mark contacted is right here. Boom, just like that. You click mark contacted, and the system start recording just as I showed you from the directory. Okay. So also, when you go to someone, say for instance someone's name, and you click edit, if you should scroll all the way down on the member profile form, last contacted, you see that right there? If you should just click that little calendar icon and select the date, the last contacted date, and once you click update, the system also automatically start to track when last that person was contacted. And once your page is refreshed, it's going to start running those numbers for you, so you can automatically go and see on your Pastoral Care dashboard. You could see who has never been contacted, who has been contacted over 60 days, who has been contacted between 30 to 6 days, 30 to 60 days, and so on and so forth. So this allows you to quickly see how, pretty much how the membership is being taken care of. This is one of, as I said, the quietest and most powerful button in Poimnion. And I do recommend that you use it, and use it frequently. Every time you make a call, you make a text, or visit someone, this is from the pastor's perspective or the leadership perspective, but this is mostly a pastoral care tool. Right? So it allows the pastor to pastor better. So mark contacted, and this will definitely help you with the rhythm of reaching people in your congregation. All right. Doesn't matter if you have 1,000 people or 2,000 people or 5,000 people. You just set a number per day that you would like to reach, be it 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. But the greatest thing is just to have a rhythm, have a rhythm of reaching people. And this button here in Poimnion really helps you to do that. All right. Thank you for watching. And I trust that you learned something and you have another tool in your tool bag that you can use to more effectively pastor, or your church can use to be more effective in caring for each other. But this is why Poimnion is here, to help you better serve the body of Christ. Thank you again, everyone. May the Lord bless you, and catch you on the next one.